I'm sure for most of us, when we eat a specific dish, it brings back memories from the past. So today I'm going to make my mom's beef curry, which she used to make on Sundays. And I remember my house used to smell of this beef curry. And I was very curious to know how she used to make this. And I'm sure with you guys too, your mom used to make a beef curry in different style. You can leave that in the comments below. I would be more curious to know how those curries used to be made. But today I'm going to make my mom style beef curry. So stay tuned till the end as I show you how to make this beef curry. My name is Stan and let's get started. So first thing first, I'll boil the beef with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 ginger. So this is 1 inch ginger that I've added, and I'll add water and I'll pressure cook this until the meat is cooked. So it'll be around 4 to 5 whistles, and then I'll turn off the flame and I will let the pressure settle down. At the meantime, I will roast few ingredients. So this recipe will need roasting of few ingredients, like this is dry coconut that I'll be roasting, and it's absolutely fine if it gets slightly burnt, that's not a problem, but just make sure that you don't burn it completely. So just keep on turning it around. Okay, that's it. The dry coconut has been roasted well, so I'll just keep this aside. And now I'll roast a big size onion. And if you're taking small size onion, you can just take 2 or 3 of this. Okay. Now you can fry the onion as well, but frying will not give you that flavor. It has to be a different flavor, right? So I don't like to fry the onion because I'm not making a Mughlai curry, because most of the Mughlai curries they fry the onion, and that gives a different taste altogether. But this one, see, as you can see, the skin is peeling off. That's it. I'll turn off the flame. So I'll let this cool down. So once we are done with the roasting, we will start preparing the masala. So I've chopped this coconuts and I'll add this. Same goes with the onions as well. And I'll be adding in 5 Kashmiri chilies, out of which 4 I have de-seeded and 1 I've kept it with the seed. Followed by 1 inch cinnamon stick, 2 cloves and 5 peppercorns. I'll also be adding in cumin seed. So this is around half teaspoon, around 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, and I'll be adding in 1 tomato, 3 garlic cloves and 1 inch ginger, around 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay, that's it. I'll close the mixer jar and we will grind this into a smooth paste. And now we'll start with the cooking process. Okay, so in a pot I'll be heating around 2 tablespoons of oil. So once the oil is hot, I'll be adding in 1 clove, 1 cinnamon stick, that's 1 inch, and bay leaves, and black cardamom, and 1 star anise. Okay, and I'll be adding in 3 peppercorns as well. Okay, I'll just give it a mix. Now this will flavorize the oil, post which I'll be adding in the ground masala. So as you can see, the ground masala, okay, this is the consistency that we need. Now we'll add this to the oil. So just let it fry for around 1 to 2 minutes, okay, because we have added a raw tomato, so the tomato has to cook. Okay, now just frying this for around a minute or 2. After that, I'll be adding in potatoes. So I've chopped the potatoes in this size. So these are big sizes potatoes that I've chopped. I'll add this in. And now in this mixer grinder, I'll be adding in some water. Okay, and I'll add this water into the pot. So So I just added around half a cup of water. So I'll add this beef into the pot. I'll also add the beef stock in it. And now I'll cover this with the lid and I'll put the flame on medium high and I'll let this cook for around 10 to 15 minutes. Alright, so it's been 15 minutes that I've let it boiled on medium high flame. And now let's check. Wow, it's done. Okay, now I'll put off the flame. Okay, now I will serve this. Alright, so guys, that's it. That's how I made my mom's beef curry, and this tastes mad. And this aroma is just spread in my house, and I'm getting the same Sunday feeling that I used to get when I was young. And look at the beef, it's perfectly cooked. Okay, the beef is perfectly cooked. So let me know guys how you like this recipe, how you like this video, and let me know if you have stories about your mom cooking any dish, whether it's beef curry or chicken curry, or how your Sundays used to be special. Let me know in the comments below, and do share this video with your friends and family, and hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet. Till then, my name is Stan. See you next time. Bye bye.